प्यारे बच्चों, in this class we are studying physical properties of haloalkane and haloarenes. तो simply haloalkane are alkyl halide. So basically alkyl halides are colorless in pure state. But bromide and iodide develop color when exposed in light. When light are fall down in bromide and iodide, it develop a color. Some alkyl halide are या volatile halogen compound are sweet in smell. And second property are we study the boiling point. So boiling point of alkyl halide to boiling point of alkyl halide is directly proportional to molecular mass. Simply the molecular mass of alkyl halide increase, so boiling point are increase. So molecular mass of alkyl halide increase, then boiling point increase. Simply we example take here CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I. These are the simple alkyl halide. When the molecular mass increase, so boiling point of alkyl halide increase. So simple trend is boiling point this. Second, when the CH3F, CH3, CH2F, CH3, CH2, CH2F and CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2F. So in this case, when the size of carbon chain increase, so increase in molecular mass, so boiling point is also increased. So boiling point, this compound is then this and then this. This is the boiling point. Second term, if boiling point inversely proportional to branching, means boiling point decrease when increase in branching in alkyl halide. So basically mean is when the branching in alkyl halide increase, so boiling point is decrease. Simple example CH3, CH2, CH2Br. Second example is CH2Br. This is example. Second is CH3, CH2, CH3Br. This example. And third example is CH3, CH3Br. So here increase in branching, so boiling point is decrease. Simply this boiling point 476 Kelvin and this 36 Kelvin and this compound is 375 Kelvin. Simply mean that when the branching are increased, so boiling point of compound is decreased. Boiling point of compound are decreased. So simply this compound boiling point high, then this and then this. So boiling point are this trend. So another properties of physical property we are study to melting point. We are study melting point. Melting point. So we are take three example. This, this, and this. This is 1,2 dichlorobenzene. This is 1,3 dichlorobenzene. And this is the 1,4 dichlorobenzene. So in this, the melting point of this compound is 256 Kelvin, and this is the 249 Kelvin and 323 Kelvin. This is the ortho product, ortho, and this is the meta, and this is the para. So here the melting point of these alkyne, halo alkyl aryl halide, these aryl halide. So para position are give more melting point than ortho, than meta, because symmetry. Because first reason is para is symmetrical. Para is symmetrical and fit. Second is fit in lattice crystal. Lattice crystal. Because the para position are show more melting point 3 to 3 Kelvin as compared to ortho position 256 Kelvin, because in para position it is a symmetrical haloalkane, symmetrical dihaloalkane, or and this is the ortho and this is the meta product. This is the meta. So melting point is para is higher than ortho than meta, because para is symmetrical. It is symmetrical because two chlorine are attached each other, two with 1 and 4 position, 1 and 4 position, opposite position, due to center of symmetry, due to center of symmetry. Yeah, and basically it have been opposite direction to each other, opposite direction to each other. Ortho position are 1-2 position, ortho position are 1-2 position, and meta position are 1-3 position, meta position are 1-3 position. So here para dichlorobenzene are show high melting point as comparison to ortho 1-2 dichlorobenzene and meta 1-3 dichlorobenzene. So simply another is the density, another is physical property is density. Another physical property is density. Density is basically mass per unit volume, mass per unit volume. So that density denotes D directly proportional to mass, D directly proportional to mass. So mean molecular mass increase so that density increase. So in this compound the molecular mass increase so that the density of compound is increased. And in another word, the number of carbon increase so that density of compound is also increased. So density of compound is also increased. So number of carbon atom are increased, so density of molecule increase. Simply we take example CH3, F, CH3, CH2F and CH3, CH2, CH2F. So find out the density. So number of carbon increase, so density of molecule increase. So this is the more density and this is the trend of density. This is the trend of density. Another is simply concept of physical property, or we study to solubility. Solubility. So simply this solubility is when a alkyl halide. So here it is the partially negative and partially positive. R is the basically carbon chain, carbon chain, carbon chain. So that if the compound having long carbon chain, it's mean it's have more non-polar part, more non-polar part. So increase the size of alkyl group. So increase the size of alkyl group so that solubility is decreased. Solubility is decreased. Simply mean that the haloalkane solubility basically are very slightly soluble. This is the solubility alkyl halides are normally we know that slightly soluble. Slightly soluble in water. Slightly soluble in water because here are present a alkyl group. Alkyl is a basically long carbon chain. So this the long carbon chain is are a non-polar part which are alkyl group are insoluble in water. So the chain of carbon increase, solubility is decreased. Simply we take example that CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. So this here is present 4 carbon chain. For here is 3 carbon. So number of carbon increase, size increase. So non-polar part are increase here. So solubility of compound is decrease. So this compound is more soluble. But when the branching are present, when the branching, simply solubility is directly proportional to branching. It's mean more is branching, more is solubility, because due to branching surface area of molecule decrease, then the solubility of molecule increase. Simply we take example CH3, CH2, 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 Br. This is example. And CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, Br, and CH2 and CH3, and here is Br. And the last example is CH3, CH3, CH3 and Br. So here we present is the two branching. Here is present two branching in long carbon chain. So when the branching of compound is increased, solubility of molecule increase. So this molecule are more soluble than this and then this. So in this class we are basically study the physical properties of these compound. Basically we study melting point, boiling point, density, and the last topic is solubility. Thank you very much.